Welcome. Here I'm making this nutritious smoothie. This nutritious smoothie will fill you up, I'm telling you. I break my fast with this smoothie because I do some intermittent fasting. I have it around 3 p.m. and it will last me. It is good. It only has 5 ingredients, some avocado, some bananas, almonds. Almonds, I do almonds and water instead of milk, and it makes just some delicious smoothie together with the flaxseed and the matcha powder. Yep, this is to go to smoothie. Everyday smoothie. You got that avocado in your body. Yep, let's get going. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.